so yummy.
In today's video, we are going to cook pasta amatriciana. It's an Italian pasta dish, and here are the ingredients: white wine, extra virgin oil, diced tomatoes, a stick of butter, shrimp, bacon, garlic, pepper flakes, and pasta. So let's start. First, let's warm our pot, and we are going to put 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This recipe is really easy but really good, really delicious. So sa mga pasta lover, try this. I'm telling you, it's really good. LJ and I are both pasta lover, and this is one of my favorite recipe. So now next we're gonna add 1 stick of butter. Smells good. The butter smells so good. Let's cut it para easier to melt it. Okay, now that the butter are melted, we can add our cloves of garlic. For the complete measurements of this recipe, I would link it down on the description below. So just check that out. Now add the shrimp. I have here probably about 25 pieces of medium-sized shrimp. So we'll just saute it with the butter and the garlic. You can substitute the shrimp with mussels, or you could have them both if you like. And then once our shrimp is cooked, then we'll add the bacon. This is just the regular bacon, but mas masarap siya. It'll be taste better if you put the pancetta bacon. I bought it, but I think LJ ate it. So I'm just using the regular bacon right now. Okay, after a few minutes of putting the bacon, then we'll add the diced tomato sauce.
Ice cream?
No, thank you.
You want ice cream?
Are you excited for the spaghetti all day?
Yeah.
I'm cooking this for you. dry and let it boil. And then we'll add 1/4 cup of white wine. Please follow the measurements so that it's not too much of everything. Like we want just a little bit of sweetness of the wine, a little bit of sourness of the tomato, a little bit saltiness of the bacon, a little bit spice from the pepper flakes. And right now we'll let it sit so the white wine will be cooked. So follow the measurements. As I've said, I'm gonna put it down on the description below. It'll taste right, because once I've put more than 1/4 cup of wine, and it didn't taste like it should be. So kailangan eksakto lang yung measurements ng ingredients niya. So let us wait for a few minutes hanggang maluto na yung wine, and then we'll add the pasta in a little bit. Okay, after a couple of minutes, let's try. Perfect na siya. We don't need to add salt or pepper. The taste is perfect. So now we're gonna add the pasta. I'm gonna turn off the fire so that our pasta will not get overcooked. So I already cooked the pasta for 10 minutes. Usually when you cook the noodle, and you'll put it in boiling water for 12 minutes. But I only put it for 10 minutes because I wanna add it on the sauce that we made and let it absorb the sauce. So I want it get soaked in the sauce, so it'll be really tasty. So we're gonna add it now. So that's pretty much it. It's already cooked. We're just gonna let it soak for a few minutes and mix it from time to time, so the noodle will soak it evenly. Yan po. And maybe we'll add a little bit of basil for aroma. And mix it. Bango ng basil. Basil smells good. Alright, let's let it soak for a while. Here's the finished product. Enjoy it!